Good morning, everyone. I am Asutosh Ranjan, your science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today, again, I have come to discuss a chapter of biology for class 7. Students, in previous lecture, I have discussed about nutrition, and in this chapter, I have discussed about nutrition in plants, means about autotrophic nutrition and other nutritions which are followed by plants. Today I will discuss nutritions by animals and humans. As we know that one green plants have capacity to prepare their own food, so their mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. But all animals and human depend upon autotrophs for their nutrition, so their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. In this term, first of all, today I will discuss about nutrition in human. How human take food, get energy, utilize it. These all processes we will discuss step by step. First of all, before discussing about nutrition in human, we should know that the nutrition mode by which human get their nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and also it is called as holozoic nutrition. So what is holozoic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which any living things intake food in the form of solid organic matter, and nutrition process take place in steps, that is called holozoic nutrition. So in human, nutrition process take place in different steps. As first step is intaking of food, that is ingestion. Second, digestion. Third, absorption. Next, assimilation. Then egestion, and then last excretion. So these are steps which take place in human body during nutrition. So first of all, any human intake food by their mouth, that is also called as buccal cavity. In this term, with the help of teeth, human chew their food, and with the help of tongue, saliva is mixed into the food to make it smooth, due to which it can be engulfed easily. That is chewing the food, and after chewing the food, after the cutting into parts, food is engulfed, that is ingestion. After chewing the food, human engulf food through the food pipe as well as esophagus, and through the esophagus food goes into the stomach. As we chew the food in our mouth, here digestion of food start through the salivary gland in our mouth. Salivary amylase enzyme is produced, and digestion of starch, digestion of carbohydrate is started in the mouth. When food goes into the stomach, in stomach pepsin and other enzymes act on food, and here digestion process carry forward. In stomach, hydrochloric acid is also found, which help in digestion of food and also kill unnecessary foreign bacteria, which is unusual for our body. For the protection of hydrochloric acid in our stomach, a layer of mucosa is found in our stomach. After the partial digestion in stomach, food enter into the small intestine. Here on the food, enzymes of liver and pancreas act on it. Liver produce bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder, and pancreas produce pancreatic juice, and these all enzymes act on food to digest different nutrients and minerals found in the food. Approximately in a small intestine, our food become digest completely. Later, these digested food enter into the large intestine. Before entering in large intestine, in a small intestine, a small finger-like projections villi absorb nutrients from the digested food, and after that these digested food into the enter into the large intestine. In large intestine, food is completely digested. Here digestion process take place. In this process, salt, water and other remaining minerals are absorbed in large intestine, and then the remaining food is only in the form of waste, and these waste get deposited into the rectum. Means in digestion process, salt and water is absorbed from the waste, and then waste is get deposited into the rectum, where according to capacity of rectum it store waste, and time to time we release waste through our excretory organs. This process is called excretion, and hence by these steps, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion and excretion, digestion in nutrition in human completed. So by this way nutrition in human take place. For today that's all. In next lecture we will discuss further about nutrition in other animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.